In the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency, Bitcoin stands as the pioneering force that has shaped the landscape we know today. Launched in 2009 by the enigmatic Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin introduced a revolutionary concept: decentralized digital currency. Its significance extends beyond mere transactions. It represents a shift in how we perceive value, trust, and financial systems. As the first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin has paved the way for thousands of altcoins, yet it remains the gold standard, often referred to as digital gold. But what if I told you there's a hidden narrative surrounding Bitcoin that could potentially unlock a staggering $10 trillion in value? This narrative is often overlooked, overshadowed by the daily price fluctuations and market speculation that dominate headlines. In this video, we'll dive deep into the lesser-known aspects of Bitcoin that could reshape our understanding of its potential. To truly appreciate Bitcoin's potential, it's essential to understand its historical journey. Bitcoin was introduced in 2009 by an anonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto, who published a white paper outlining a decentralized digital currency. This marked the beginning of a revolutionary concept that challenged traditional financial systems. The first significant milestone came in 2010 when the first real-world transaction occurred. 10,000 Bitcoins were exchanged for 2 pizzas, a moment now celebrated as Bitcoin Pizza Day. As Bitcoin gained traction, it faced its share of challenges. In 2011, it experienced its first major price surge, reaching $31, only to crash back down to around $2. This volatility shaped early perceptions, leading many to view Bitcoin as a speculative asset rather than a stable currency. To understand Bitcoin's growth, we must analyze the current market dynamics that are shaping its trajectory. One of the most significant factors is the role of institutional investment. Over the past few years, we've witnessed a surge in interest from major financial institutions, hedge funds, and corporations. Companies like Tesla and Square have added Bitcoin to their balance sheets, signaling a shift in perception from a speculative asset to a legitimate investment. To fully grasp Bitcoin's narrative, we must explore the technological advancements that underpin its value and potential. At the heart of Bitcoin lies blockchain technology, a decentralized ledger that records all transactions transparently and securely. This innovation not only enhances Bitcoin's value by ensuring trust and security, but also eliminates the need for intermediaries, making transactions faster and more efficient. The immutability of the blockchain means that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered, providing a level of security that traditional financial systems struggle to match. One of the most exciting innovations supporting Bitcoin's growth is the Lightning Network. This Layer 2 solution allows for faster and cheaper transactions by enabling off-chain payments. With the Lightning Network, users can conduct transactions instantly, making Bitcoin more practical for everyday purchases. Imagine being able to buy your morning coffee with Bitcoin, and the transaction is completed in seconds for a fraction of a cent. When examining Bitcoin's perception, it's essential to delve into the psychological aspects that influence investor behavior. One of the most significant factors is the impact of fear, uncertainty, and doubt, FUD. In the volatile world of cryptocurrency, news cycles can create a whirlwind of emotions among investors. For instance, when regulatory crackdowns or security breaches make headlines, fear can lead to panic selling, causing prices to plummet. Conversely, positive news such as institutional adoption or technological advancements can spark excitement and drive prices up. This emotional roller coaster often results in irrational decision-making, where investors may buy high out of fear of missing out, FOMO, or sell low due to panic. Narratives also play a crucial role in shaping public perception of Bitcoin. The story of Bitcoin as digital gold has gained traction, positioning it as a hedge against inflation and economic instability. This narrative resonates with many investors, particularly during times of financial uncertainty. However, competing narratives such as Bitcoin being a speculative bubble can create skepticism and hesitation among potential investors. To illustrate these psychological factors, consider the case of a retail investor who bought Bitcoin during the 2017 bull run, driven by the excitement of soaring prices. When the market corrected sharply, fear set in, and they sold their holdings at a loss, only to watch Bitcoin rebound in the following years. As we wrap up our exploration of Bitcoin's $10 trillion narrative, let's recap the key takeaways that highlight its immense potential. We began by discussing Bitcoin's significance in the cryptocurrency landscape, noting how its pioneering role has paved the way for a new financial paradigm. We examined the factors driving its projected growth, including the surge in institutional investment and the impact of regulatory changes. Additionally, we delved into the technological innovations, such as blockchain and the Lightning Network, that enhance Bitcoin's usability and security. We also touched on the psychological factors influencing investor behavior, emphasizing how fear, uncertainty, and narratives shape public perception. Understanding these elements is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the complexities of the Bitcoin market. Staying informed about Bitcoin's potential is more important than ever, especially as we witness rapid developments in technology and market dynamics. The landscape is constantly evolving, and being aware of these changes can empower you to make informed decisions about your investments. If you found this discussion insightful, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analyses and updates on Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends or fellow investors who might benefit from understanding Bitcoin's transformative potential. Your support helps us continue to provide valuable insights and keep you informed on this exciting journey through the world of cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.